the stage was set not with election candidates but the BJP's big boss himself, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, today with a 37-minute speech in Purulia in West Bengal. It's a speech that kicks off a spate of rallies that he's going to be holding all across the state. Today was the first. But what marked out today's speech by the Prime Minister was he appeared to take the Khela Hobe viral rallying cry of Mamata Banerjee by the horns and respond to it. But the question is, was this something that blunted Didi's war cry, or was this the BJP forced to follow the agenda set by the Trinamool?
Didi bole, Khela hobe. BJP bole, chakri hobe.
Khela hobe, dekha hobe, jeta hobe.
BJP bole, vikas hobe.
The war of battle cries.
Didi bole, Khela hobe.
TMC's Khela Hobe versus Modi's Vikas Hobe. Prime Minister Narendra Modi turned the tables on TMC's poll war cry Khela Hobe to Bengal wants Vikas Hobe at his mega Purulia rally.
BJP bole, Jubo, Shakti Sampurno, vikas hobe.
Prime Minister Modi used Mamata's very own Khela Hobe or game on phrase to attack TMC regime, accusing Mamata of just playing games for 10 years.
BJP bole, Jubo, Shakti Sampurno, vikas hobe.
Prime Minister also launched one of the fiercest attacks on accusing Didi of creating a new breed of Maoists who loot public money in Bengal.
अपने राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए दीदी की सरकार माओवादी हिंसा को भी बढ़ावा देती है और इन सब का नुकसान उठाना पड़ता है आपको.
Modi also accused Mamata of backing terrorists during 2019 Pulwama attack and 2008 Batla House encounter.
जब पुलवामा हमला हुआ तो आप किसके साथ खड़ी थी ये भी बंगाल के लोग भूले नहीं. एक बहुत बड़ा फैसला था. ये फैसला बाटला हाउस एनकाउंटर से जुड़ा है. ये लोग उस समय आतंकवादियों के साथ खड़े थे, एनकाउंटर पर सवाल खड़े कर रहे थे.
So who will witness Khela Shesh or game over on 2nd of May?
2 मई दीदी যাচ্ছে, 2 मई दीदी যাচ্ছে, আসল পরিবর্তন আছে.
With Suryagini Roy in Purulia, Bureau Report, India Today.
Joining me live from Kolkata, Shri Rupa Mitra Chaudhary, spokesperson and senior leader of the BJP, Riju Datta, spokesperson, member of the Trinamool Congress. Riju, coming to you first. The Trinamool has constantly accused the BJP of, only talking about Jai Shri Ram, not talking enough about development, not talking about the issues about Bengal. It appears that the Prime Minister has heard you, because today he basically took the Khela Hobe slogan and sort of turned it on its head and said, you guys say Khela Hobe, we say Vikas Hobe and Hospital Hobe and School Hobe and the rest of it. Your response, Riju?
Yes, Shiv. And see, first of all, I feel for the Prime Minister of our country, who is also the BJP star campaigner, that he has to do these kind of political satire to garner some votes for BJP to save them from utter humiliation in Bengal elections. But when he says it is Khela Hobe na, it is Vikas Hobe, yes, Vikas to hua hai. In the last 7 years, petrol at 100, gas at 900. He says Khela Hobe na, chakri hobe. Yes, naukri to milega, 45-year-old high unemployment rate in the country. So all I will say is when he says khela hobe na tola baji hobe, if I am sure Shiv, you know that all the central ministries have issued a list of assets that they are going to liquidate for privatization. So I will summarize our Honorable Prime Minister's speech into a very small slogan, which is lie, lie and lie some more. So the people of Bengal and the people of this country has seen through the jumlas and the fake promises of the BJP regime. They have lost complete faith in them, and all these big dialogues without any action on them or acting on them will not result or will not translate into electoral gains or political votes.
Shrirupa Mitra Chaudhary, what was the big message from the Prime Minister? There were many layers to what the Prime Minister said today. You've just heard what the Trinamool's response is. What was the big message from the Prime Minister?
So the big message from the Prime Minister is that we are talking of...
Okay, we've lost Shrirupa Mitra Chaudhary on that line. Okay, I think we have her back. Shrirupa, go ahead. I think we just missed your words.
I think
Do we have her? I apologize for that. Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
just now my name has been announced in one of the candidates, so I'm flooded with calls. I just missed the line for that. But I just wanted to tell you that the...
Okay, Shrirupa Mitra Chaudhary has just heard live on the show that she's been named as one of the candidates. So, you know, she's been flooded with calls. I'm going to try and get somebody else. Doesn't happen very often, but that's the nature of politics, Riju. Incredible. I mean...
No, good luck to her. All the best to her. All the best to her.
Yes, absolutely. We'll try and get Shrirupa back. Apparently, she's flooded with calls because
I think
she's gotten to know...
She's connected through Skype, so she's getting these constant calls and the link is...
Correct. Anyway, our viewers will always understand that. But I'm going to wait for Shrirupa to come back or another guest to be patched through. Meanwhile, Riju, the fact is, Riju, as far as agendas being set is concerned, the Trinamool should be quite satisfied in one way, in my interpretation. Because, I'll tell you why. The reason is because for the last many weeks, it looked like the BJP was setting the agenda as far as Jai Shri Ram was concerned, as far as Durga was concerned. It resulted in Mamata Banerjee having to declare her Hinduism, chant the Chandi path, go on the temple hop, whatever you may say. It looked like it was a reaction to an agenda being set by the BJP. This time it looked like the Prime Minister was responding and engaging to that viral slogan put forward by the Trinamool.
Shiv, two pertinent points to your questions. See, first of all, they are using the Poriborton narrative. It is our tag word or tagline from 2011. And now they are using the Khela Hobe, they are using the Khela Hobe as a part of their agenda. So they have nothing new. That is why they are, trying to copy whatever we have done in the past. Secondly, Shiv, I'll give you a small chronology. We printed our 10-year report card. Then we declared our full list out, and 10 days to the election, there are still 20-30 seats they have not named yet. Thirdly, we have also declared our manifesto. Then they have no agenda, neither the manifesto. So from day one, they are playing catch up.
Okay.
So obviously, they have to say something, because every star campaigner that is coming to Bengal, Shiv, that they are greeted with empty seats. So the only hope they have to garner some votes is Narendra Modi ji. And I don't know how he will be successful, because again I will say, खेला होबे हम खेलेंगे भी लड़ेंगे भी और जीतेंगे भी और इस बार तो हम टूटे हुए पैर से
I want our viewers to listen into some more of what was said, because we've heard what Mamata Banerjee has said as far as Khela Hobe is concerned. The Prime Minister said many things in response to that. Let me just play out for you some of those things that were said today.
यहां तो दीदी की निर्मम सरकार ने माओवादियों की एक नई नस्ल बना दी है, जो टीएमसी के माध्यम से गरीबों का पैसा लूटती है।
যদি আমার কোনো মাওবাদী বন্ধু থাকেন, যদি আমার কোনো বামপন্থী বন্ধু থাকেন, যদি আমার কোনো কংগ্রেসী বন্ধু থাকেন, তাদের উদ্দেশ্যও বলবো, সিপিএম কে ভোট দিয়ে ভোটটা নষ্ট করবেন না। বাংলায় ওরা বিজেপির গদাই। কংগ্রেসকে ভোট দিয়ে ভোটটা নষ্ট করবেন না, ওরা বিজেপির জগাই। আর বিজেপিকে ভোট দেবেন না, ওটা হচ্ছে দাঙ্গাকারী মাধাই। মমতা ব্যানার্জি মানে মানুষের এনার্জি, আর মমতা ব্যানার্জি মানুষের সাথে লড়াই করে, পালিয়ে যায় না।
दीदी ये भूल रही है, इस बार खुद बंगाल की जनता उनके विरोध में खड़ी है। 10 साल का विश्वासघात, 10 साल की दुर्नीति, इसकी सजा अब बंगाल के लोग इस चुनाव में उन्हें दे करके रहेंगे।
হাজার হাজার কোটি টাকা আমরা দিয়েছি আমফানে, দুর্যোগে, যখন মানুষগুলো দুর্যোগে ছিল। কোথায় ছিলে নরেন্দ্র মোদী? কোথায় ছিলে বিজেপি? কোথায় ছিলে তোমাদের চেলা চামুন্ডারা? কোথাও ছিল না। নির্বাচন আসলে তখন তোমরা ক্যাশ নিয়ে বেরিয়ে পড়ো, ক্যাশ নিয়ে বেরিয়ে পড়ে মিথ্যে কথার গ্যাস বেলুন, আর নির্বাচনের সময় ক্যাশ বেলুন।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.